Okay, first up, IPTV players. These are the codes you'll need to manage your subscriptions.
Here are the first 6 codes. These are for some of the most popular and versatile players out there. And here are 5 more for you. Each of these has some really unique options for customization.
All right, let's talk security, because this part is crucial. Here are the codes for some top-tier VPNs.
Using one of these is key for protecting your privacy and getting around those annoying geo-blocks.
Here are 4 more really solid VPN choices to keep your streaming activity completely anonymous.
Okay, now for the main event. I know this is what a lot of you have been waiting for.
Let's start with Live TV. These apps offer hundreds of channels from around the world, totally free. Now, if you're more into movies and shows on demand, these next codes are exactly what you need.
All right, sports fans, listen up. These apps are all about live games, from football to cricket.
And here are 3 more heavy hitters, so you never ever have to miss a second of the action.
But hold on, before you download anything, we really need to talk about a crucial security warning.
See, a lot of these free apps are unverified. This means you could be exposing yourself to serious risks.
Without protection, your internet provider can see everything you do. Your personal data is just out there.
So what's the solution? Always use a reliable VPN. It encrypts your connection and keeps you safe.